Hello everybody. The medicine cabinet has been put up. We have a massive mess. We've got half of our couch. I got these from Lowe's. There we go. If you cannot tell, we're in the midst of moving. I have some clothes in my closet. So excited, but it is like a million little trips. Like one handfuls. And I'm out of breath, but it's okay because I am burning calories and I'm getting a workout in, so that's good. And I have some pimples, so I put some pimple patches on my face, in case you're wondering. And yeah, I cannot film all of the little gathering of stuff in the other place and then bringing it to here. It's just too much. So I will get back to you when majority is moved over. And then I've got to figure out organizing. That's gonna take a while. Good morning, my people, my friends. Hello, how are you? Today, I'm going to show you everything that got accomplished yesterday that I did not film, and I am so sorry. However, like I said, it was too much to try to film everything while it was all happening. And we had some friends, I had some good friends come and help me. So, you know how that goes. I don't want to put them on film. So, let me show you what we have accomplished. And we've accomplished a lot. We're like 80% moved in. Not tonight, but tomorrow night, which will be Friday, we will move our bed over, move our couch over, and those will really be the last two things that we need to move over here. And then we're done. So, let's go. All right, in the bathroom, the medicine cabinet has been put up. Started organizing some of it. Still have some more bathroom stuff to move over. Obviously the essentials we left next door. Yeah, just need to bring over a shower curtain. Living room is looking good. All of Jeremy's tools got put away. Coffee bar currently. Got to bring our actual regular coffee pot. Enjoy the view. Dining table. We got this little cabinet built, which is gonna hold our microwave. And I do like it. What we're gonna end up doing is once the countertops come in, we'll see what the exact height is, and then we're gonna have the height of this match up exactly to the countertop. So we'll cut those legs. And then I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it so that the microwave faces that way. And then got both of the countertops done with the contact paper and plywood. I still need to duct tape this side down. I still haven't found pulls for the cabinets that I like, hardware. I take that back. I did find the door knobs at Lowe's, but they've been out of stock, so I have to find those. And then I think I want to go with the cup, half cup dome pulls for the drawers, but I need to find something in the exact same style of gold. I think it's brushed gold is what I'm looking for, because that is what our faucet looks like. So anyway, for now we have blue painter's tape as our pulls. Coming together, looking good. Definitely gonna have to get rid of a lot of stuff. Like, we have way too many coffee mugs, and we know where to store them because they won't fit in there unless we put them sideways. Let's see what else to show you. Yeah, not much has changed in here. Just need to clean things up, which we will eventually. And yeah, it is looking so good. I am so happy, so happy. I just love it so much. And, oh, so I went last night to Home Goods because I was like, I need hangers. Silly me. This is what I got. I got 2 packs of these. This was such a bad idea. I didn't even realize that it had these little I don't know, spots to hang like scarves and whatever else, but they're so cheap. They're so flimsy. So I'm taking those back. I'm gonna get more. But anyway, I have so much to do with this. Oh, you're crooked. Dang it. Sorry. A little bit left over in the kitchen, in the bedroom. Oh, bathroom stuff I need to go get, and I feel like that might be it. I need to run errands. I need to go to Target, get some hooks for the bathroom, like for our towels and our robes and stuff. So I'm gonna at some point go and do that. And then I need to upload a video. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Anyway, so I have my plans for today, very busy, hoping I can get the video up today because it is Thursday and that is my normal, typical YouTube day. But guys, life has been crazy. So, I don't know. I'll catch you later. Hello and welcome back. We have a massive mess, but that is okay because we are pretty much almost done. We just have to move the couch, the bed, microwave, and I think that's it. Oh. I hope you guys are well. And again, sorry I didn't really include a lot of footage of the actual moving from one place to the other, but you know what that looks like. Everything's chaos. That's all I could say. Everything is absolute chaos. All right, so this is where we are at. We have our cabinet. Our TV is gonna go up here. We've got half of our couch moved over. The other half will be moved tonight. This is the burlwood project that's coming along. Just flattening it out. Piles and piles of stuff to go through. Hangers that I got from Home Goods. No, I'm sorry, Marshall's, that are absolutely terrible, and they are going back. The coffee bar is looking really good. Love it. Chaotic kitchen table. Chaotic kitchen. Gonna put some knobs on. Finally, got the knobs that I've been wanting. I got these from Lowe's. So they're gonna go right there. Look really good. And then for the drawers, just brushed gold. So the reason I went with this is because our faucet, which we had in the other apartment, is my favorite, and we bought that a long time ago. So once our actual countertops come in, we're gonna put our old sink, our faucet rather, in, and it is the same brushed gold look. Drying rack, gonna change this out to a different color. Yeah, the fridge. Fridge is looking great. I've never had more room in a fridge in my life. So still have a ton of organizing to do, but we're getting there. Uploaded the video, YouTube video today, episode 6. How was that? Yep. Very exciting. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some more burlwood. This is where we're at. So I did the tops last night. The drawers on both of these are done. I don't know that I have enough burlwood to do the entire outside because also, you guys, I am going to burlwood this so it matches, so that it looks like it's a set. I think it's gonna look phenomenal. So I think today I am going to do this, and I'm gonna order some more burlwood contact paper, and then when that comes in, I will do the sides. And I'll do a big reveal at some point in the future. Honestly, probably when everything is done, when I've picked out what art I want to go in these frames that are going to go on either side, and all that. But the bedroom is a mess as well. So, oh, we got our big mirror put in. I love it. And this is the state of the office, the studio. Not too bad, not too bad. So yeah, okay, let's do some contact paper. Because the bed is coming tonight, so I want that done, totally done. Burlwood looks really good. The question is, when we built this, so my husband and I, we made our headboard years ago when we were in New York. And the joint have always had a little bit of a gap. So what I think I might do is I'm gonna take the, man, it's almost like we should take this out. I don't know if we can do that. Could I squeeze that in there? Oh, I don't know. Anyway, if I take the strip, I might have it so that it comes directly across and then put the next piece here and down. So it almost looks like two pieces of burlwood. That's my plan. Here goes nothing. So I've got it started. I really got to figure out how to, I guess I can just tuck it. Oh, some of these cut lines are terrible. All right, so I'm taking a knife, just a butter knife, and very gently, as I'm going, just pressing that underneath, and that seems to be working. Okay, I need this to go lower though. All right, issue I'm having is I'm not able to get the paper as low as I need it to so that I can tuck it. So I'm gonna try again. And this time, sticky. No. There we go. Okay. Okay, I think I might have gotten it. Okay. Okay. Sometimes it's just too much to film. Like to film and to try to do this. I got the top in and I think it looks so good. My whole issue was trying to get just enough of a extra lip here so that I could tuck it. So that in the parts that were cut wonky, oh my gosh, my hands look terrible. In the parts that were wonky, I didn't want them like, you know, exposing the wood below it. So I figured that out, got that all done. So the top is done, side is done. I'm gonna wait until Jeremy gets home to flip it because it is so heavy. But I'm gonna do the other side, just like I did this side. Oh, I think I'm so excited because I figured something out. I need excess on this. This is definitely a much tighter side than the other. So I just measured the width from corner to edge and it's exactly 3. So I went over just a little bit. I measured 3 and what is this? 3 and whatever that little bar is, an 1/8, 1/16, an 1/8. 3 and 1/8. I think that's what that is. So you measure there and tack it, stick it just ever so lightly, then come to the bottom and stick that corner down here so that it's the exact same amount from the edge. And then I should be able to stick it all on and I'll have enough. Let's see. All right, it looks great. It looks good. Like I said, I'm just gonna wait for Jeremy to get home. I need to tuck this. I will do the sides of these as soon as more burlwood comes in. Gunnar, what do you think? What do you think, buddy? Do you like it? It's a mess. It'll get clean soon. Okay. I put our lamps, because like I said, the bed is coming tonight. So this needed to be done. Not the side tables, but the bed frame. And I think it's gonna look so beautiful. Hello. Good afternoon. So we are officially moved out of our old place. We are in the new place completely. Look at this mess. It's so great. So today what we are doing is organizing everything. So I'm gonna set you down.